Hey everyone, it's Allison from New Little Life. Today I want to talk to you about my coloring books. So I have 4 coloring books available for pregnant, breastfeeding, postpartum, and just moms in general. And I want to show you what's inside them. So the first one to start with is the pregnancy coloring book. And this coloring book has a lot of different things in it. Each of these books starts with a practice page. This is my logo, and you can kind of practice on this page. If you've never colored mandala or Zentangle style art before, this will give you a nice little practice. Every book comes with this practice page. And then you've got fun little coloring pages to help starting at conception, a little baby announcement for when you do get pregnant, along with some other uplifting and positive pages for coloring during pregnancy. All of these books come in a spiral bound option and a staple back option. The staple back option is a little bit cheaper because it's cheaper to make, but the spiral one's probably my favorite because you can flip it around and color a lot easier. Next we have the Birth Affirmations coloring book. So this is a great one toward the end of your pregnancy, especially if you want to color some of your own affirmations. You can hang them in your birth space. Now, if you plan on cutting these out and hanging them up in your birthing space, I actually do recommend the staple binding because it's a lot easier to take this book apart and have some solid pages in there. But this book comes with affirmations already in here. These are all hypnobirthing friendly if you're planning a hypnobirth. A lot of them are pregnant women to color, but they vary in styles. Most of them are vertical, although there's a few that are horizontal as well. A great resource to have if you're planning on giving birth soon or if you're looking for a unique gift for someone that you know. Another cool thing about the Birth Affirmations coloring book is I have translated this book into 22 other languages. So if you'd prefer one that is not in English, you can check down below to see how to get some of the ones in other languages. This would also be really fun gifts for friends that speak other languages. You can check out my Instagram. I'll be posting pictures and videos on there when I receive all 22 of those coloring books in the mail here soon. Next is my breastfeeding coloring book. So this is great for breastfeeding or postpartum moms. I tried to feature a lot of different kinds of journeys of feeding babies in this book. So you can see there's some beautiful breastfeeding ones. Who doesn't love mermaids? Also features a donor mom. Can't forget about you guys. You guys are awesome. Not all the pages are about breastfeeding. Here's a baby wearing male, so that's kind of cool. The female version. Here's a twin mom, which is always fun if you're expecting twins. Even if you're not, just color that and shout out to some of those twin moms who work so hard to feed their babies. There's a couple of pumping ones. Here's a little door sign for your door, pumping please knock, as well as a mom pumping here and feeding her baby. Here's a gender neutral chest feeding page. And then it's sprinkled with just a few general motherhood pages as well. Again, a great way to remember to take some time, relax, celebrate the hard work that you do. You're doing a great job. Keep it up. And then lastly, I have the Chakras and Zen coloring book. And this one was more pages that I created just for fun. There are 7 chakra pages in here. So you can see it starts with the crown chakra, goes to the 3rd eye, and so on. Ending with, of course, the root chakra. And then it kind of moves on into just some fun coloring. There's a few nature ones in here. Tree, elephant. This is a personal favorite of mine. It features the word balance with some rocks being balanced. You can even write in here some of the things you're trying to balance in your life, figure out which are the most important, kind of a really thoughtful page for you to color. Waterfalls, one of my favorite. And then you have a couple pages like this. This one says healing is not linear. Whatever you're going through, just expect some ups and downs, and coloring can be a really nice way to clear your mind, take some time for yourself, slow down. My kids also love coloring these pages, so all the pages in here are kid friendly. Well, all the books are, really. That's a quick overview of the coloring books available from New Little Life. I'll put lots of links below on where you can find these. You can also download them digitally. If you don't want to wait for a book in the mail, you can download them digitally and print and color right away. If you have any requests for new pages or something else you'd like to see, let me know. Otherwise, thanks for watching and happy coloring.